The court will call the matter of the state of Michigan versus Aquella Ward, case number 22 FB 1294.
Criminal justice for the people.
This is a PD case. This would be Mr.
Of course
Lebo's.
it is. No problem, Your Honor. I'm so sorry. Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Ms. Ward, who appears via Zoom. Ms. Ward, can you please state your name for the record?
Aquella Ward.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Ward.
Good morning.
Ms. Ward is here for a review today, and it is my understanding that she has not provided proof of her community service hours and is upset that the court is requiring that she do the community service in light of her having to take care of her mother.
Right away, you can feel the imbalance in the room. This isn't a fresh case. It's a compliance hearing. And those are brutal because the court's patience is already gone. From the judge's tone, you know this isn't about what happened. It's about why didn't you do what you were told?
Certainly, Your Honor. The notes that I have here are that she has not been able to do that due to her mother needing the 24-hour care. She's not been able to find any online options. She will obtain a doctor and submit to the court as soon as possible, is my understanding. I don't know if Ms. Ward has anything to add to that.
Anything from you, Ms. Ward?
I didn't, they didn't tell me that I had to, that I had an option for online. They stated that they were going to find me online, something online for volunteer work. I wasn't supposed to find it. And I'm not upset, Your Honor. It's just that I can't do it. I'm not upset at all.
This is where it gets uncomfortable. Miss Ward isn't denying responsibility. She's explaining reality. Full-time caregiving is inflexible, it's isolating, and the system doesn't slow down for it. You can hear the confusion more than defiance. She genuinely believed help was coming, not that she had to chase it herself.
You were convicted of a weapons offense in this particular case.
Correct.
And there are responsibilities that you have that you need to complete. If you don't complete them, then the option is to put you in custody.
Okay.
And here's the cold truth of the courtroom. Context matters emotionally, but not legally. The judge isn't weighing hardship. She's weighing compliance. Once jail is introduced as an option, the conversation stops being human and starts being procedural.
Well, Your Honor, what do you want me to do? I can't do it on, if they give me option. If they can find something for me online, then I will do it.
No one is finding anything for you, Ms. Ward. You're confused about how this works. This is an order.
They stated to me
Ms. Ward,
that they were going to find it.
I'd recommend not talking.
This is a turning point. The phrase, "I'd recommend not talking back to court," lands like a warning shot. Miss Ward isn't being disrespectful. She's overwhelmed. But courtrooms don't reward vulnerability when it sounds like resistance.
Your Honor, I'm talking over Ms. Ward to encourage her to stop talking for her own sake. But I'll also refer to my notes from our last hearing, because I had brought up, I was actually the one that brought up the possibility of perhaps something existing online that she could do. My notes state that Your Honor told her she needs to talk to her attorney about those options. Mr. Lebo did say that he was going to reach out to her with to discuss that possibility. So if there has been a misunderstanding about what that private communication was supposed to be, to some extent, my notes are actually somewhat consistent with that. But I think it's also clear at this point that there needs to be some sort of initiative taken to at the least reach out to counsel. So I'm just...
The public defender does what defense attorneys often have to do: absorb the tension and quietly redirect it. Notice how careful the language is. No accusations, no blame, just clarification. That's survival lawyering.
Ms. Ward will be here on November 9th in person, 2023 at 10 o'clock a.m. Ma'am, you need to work on that community service as you were ordered to do. And if you don't, then at that time you'll be taken into custody. And if you don't show, I'm going to issue a bench warrant for your arrest.
This is the system at its hardest. No extensions, no alternatives discussed. Just a date and a threat. At this point, it doesn't matter why she can't comply, only that she hasn't.